black box, glass lens, electricity inside, pictures on your wall. That's the Canon R7. We're here today with the Canon R7. That's the intro. Hello. Also, very exciting news. New preset pack out right now. If you're a member, you have access to it. And also, if it is before July 14th, you can get into the members website for less money than it would usually cost. 100% money back guarantee. So if you join, you don't love it, send me an email. Email's right here. Send your money back. All the presets you're gonna see in this video are from that new preset pack. That's all from the space up here. Let's get back to the shoot. We're out here in the Banff area doing a couple shoot today with me and my cup holder. I have the 50 1.2. Also pro tip, the lenses fit nicely in cup holders. And we are going to one of the locations that we will actually be traveling to at the Banff workshop, which is right here. Here we are in some beautiful light provided by Jacob. And if you want to make bad light, this is no scrim / reflector. And then this is with it. So first tip, right off the start. Second tip, come on out to the Banff workshop. Information down below. And you can come to this location. And you're gonna see it. I don't need to talk anymore. Let's just go. That's great. If you want to get your faces a little closer together. And the Canon R7 is the perfect prosumer. What was the
perfect prosumer entry-level mirrorless camera.
The perfect prosumer entry-level medium format camera. Mirrorless camera. We're here today talking about wedding photography, and is the Canon R7 the correct tool for it? And the price point definitely is a big check mark. For me, 2 card slots, also a big check mark, and very, very happy that they included it. One thing you might be like is a crop sensor okay for wedding photography? Go check out my friend John Branch, and he will convince you, absolutely, it's totally fine. Beautiful. That's perfect. All right, relax for a moment. I'm just gonna do a lens switch over here. I would say one of the most useful lenses for the Canon R7, because it is a crop sensor camera, is the 35 f1.8. I love it. It's a very nice, compact, kind of do everything kit on a wedding day. 35 becomes roughly a 50, and that is a pretty good all-around lens for a wedding day. Whether you're doing getting ready photos or you're out here, you can usually get by with a 50. 85, so if you're using the 50 on here, it might be a little too long in certain situations, especially here where we're trying to capture at least some of the landscape. But the 35 1.8 would probably be my first purchase if I was doing weddings. Canon R7. And I'm shooting it at f1.8, and I think it looks absolutely wonderful. All right, here we are on the Canon R7 with the old 50. And in an absolutely beautiful location. The autofocus on the R7 is the same. See what Jacob has in his hand here? Unconfirmed, but I'll confirm this, but I'm pretty certain it's the same autofocus in here as it is in Jacob's camera, which is really, really crazy to have proper pro level autofocus in, I don't know, such a cost-effective camera. It's really quite incredible. Did you used to work at a Little Caesars? You're on to location number 2, which is also a location that you will find yourself at if you come to our Banff workshop. Link in the description. Welcome to Quarry Lake Pizza Parlor and Dog Park. And we are going to do some photography with the Canon R7. And this is currently the adapted older 50L. All right, and if you guys want to get really close together with your heads there, so it turns out there unfortunately is no pizza parlor here. However, the R7 does have a fully articulating screen that is really nice. This is how I use mine. Shoot through the viewfinder, flip open when required. If If you don't spin it around like that, then you're just wasting time and energy to get it to where you want to be. Like this, activates viewfinder. Like this is screen. I usually shoot screen now. I don't know why. It happened over the past couple of years when I had to wear a mask and I was fogging up my viewfinder. Now I'm hooked. Hooked on fully articulating screens by the NFT. So if you guys just want to face each other kind of this way so I can see kind of both profiles, that's beautiful. And there you have it, the Canon R7 for wedding photography. If it is still before July 14th, you can actually get in on my birthday special. My birthday special is the easiest way for you to become a full-time photographer. Using all the courses and the content there is very much going to make your life a lot easier booking weddings and actually becoming a full-time working professional, and also come up to the Banff workshop too. That's all for today. See you next time.